So previously Hiro made this beautiful sushi rolls, and also the sashimi dish from a beautiful red big eye snapper. And now, with the help of Watanabe, we're doing something even more special.
Yeah. So we're gonna make sushi rice, my hometown style,
Okay.
Kochi style. So it's a little bit different. But first one, this is mixed with yuzu juice
Okay.
into the sushi vinegar.
All right.
Coming from Umaji village, Umaji-mura. It's very popular in the yuzu
Okay.
product.
And you call this kind of like a redneck sushi?
No, I would say redneck, but we are, Yellowneck. Yellowneck, country bumpkin, Inaka style, Kochi style, sushi,
Right,
rice.
right,
Totally different.
All right, here. What's the first
thing is,
step?
I need to slice out the chop up the ginger.
Okay.
Very small. Now, okay, I'm gonna keep on this on the side.
Okay.
Okay, next step, I'm gonna take the rice in here first. First, put the vinegar, this vinegar, instead
Okay.
of the regular sushi vinegar.
Okay.
Okay. As much you want. No, already you can smell, right? Very different.
It smells very fresh. I like it.
Right?
Yeah. Like very like refreshing, like a
Yeah. This
like a
is
citrus
Yeah,
smell.
this is citrus is
Nice.
very different.
Okay.
すごい
Right? Then you add the ginger.
I get homesick.
Yeah, this one.
Really?
This one, yeah, getting homesick, right?
My grandma's, sushi.
And the
I wanna go home.
sesame
back
seeds
to
also.
Kochi.
Sesame seeds also.
Sesame seeds too.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Oh, it really smells fragrant. I like it. The ginger, the citrus. Wow.
This one good for the mackerel, the saba sushi.
Okay.
We made the long time ago. We made the whole mackerel sushi.
Yes.
Yeah, that kind of stuff. It's very very popular in my hometown, Kochi.
Okay. So this replaces regular sushi rice, and you just put fish on top of it, right?
Right.
Okay.
That's it. So we're gonna wait a little bit. After that, we treat same as like a regular sushi rice.
Okay.
That's it.
Can't wait to try it, Hiro.
Yeah, sure.
We'll be back.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
やって。
どういうふうに写真は撮るの？
写真大きいところを押すだけ、大きいボタンを押すだけ。
そうしたら写真なのね。
そう。
This fish is so fresh. Unbelievable. Take a look at this. Good. So good.
We call it double happiness.
Really?
Nighttime and we eat good.
Okay.
And next morning,
Double happiness. Mm. I'm very happy now, Hiro.
Hmm.
Mm. So this is the Yellowneck Sushi. Right, Hiro?
Yeah. Yellowneck sushi. Kochi style.
Kochi style. Okay, can't wait to try it.
Yellowneck country bumpkin Yellowneck sushi from Kochi. Exactly. Because nowhere can eat this, sushi. Because
Okay, come on, Watanabe. I want to take one video of you
the
eating it.
rice is different.
Yeah. It's a little slow.
Hiro-san,
Hi.
for me, can you make a Japanese style sushi which is, wasabi is between the rice?
Inside.
Let's go. Try it.
Japanese style.
Okay, let me try a piece. Oh, you guys can see the ginger, the sesame seed in there.
Japanese style nigiri sushi.
Mm.
And especially this rice is totally different of Edomae Tokyo style. This is Kochi style country bumpkin inaka sushi.
It's really good.
And
Really fresh.
wasabi is between the fish and rice. That is the traditional sushi.
Very, very good here. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like the yuzu flavor on the rice. Very, very fresh. Then you get the taste of the ginger.
So I'll try.
Okay, go ahead.
So look at this. Look at this.
Mm.
Wasabi. And this one. This is real Japanese style. And eat
Ooh.
by hand. That is etiquette
Mm.
and appreciation to
Sushi
the
etiquette.
sous chef.
Reminds you of your grandmother's
Grandmother's sushi.
sushi, right?
Use the flavor.
Mm. Here, what did you say? Did you try it already?
Yeah, already one.
How's it?
It's good. Good.
Good, right?
Yeah. I like this flavor.
Rice got sesame seed and yuzu vinegars and gingers. Totally different.
Very good. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
See you soon.